Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video released to YouTube, so there might be some rough edges and I am sorry about that. So anyway, what I wanted to let you guys know about a great gaming monitor deal from Costco in this Black Friday. This is the LG UltraGear gaming monitor. The model name is 27GL63T and I think this is a great monitor for its kind. So this thing has a 27-inch widescreen and it's IPS panel, and it has a 144 Hz refresh rate, and it's also NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync compatible, and it's also a 99% sRGB color accuracy. So the listed price is $249, but currently Costco have 70% off, 70 bucks off from the listed price, which is $179 till 2nd December 2019. So here is the Costco ad. As you can see, it's $179, so you can grab this deal before 2nd December 2019. So normally monitors that have these characteristics would cost you more than $270 bucks. So it is like $100 saving if you're interested in this LG panel. So let's get this open and see what it's inside. Give you guys a better viewing. So this is the stand. Wow, it's kind of heavy and has some red accent to it, so it's more durable than I think. It's a bit heavy. Keep this aside, and some paperwork. This is the display quality assurance report. I think it's from Japan. Let's see. So, and this is the panel mounting pole. Look here. Yeah, and it's going like this. So it's going like this. Panel, and what we have got here, probably the cables. Yeah, so let's get into this. So this is the power brick for the monitor, and oh, I don't know what it is. It's probably the bracket for the mounting hole, I think so. Yeah, I think it's a mounting bracket, and this is the display port cable. It's nicely included, and unfortunately it doesn't have any HDMI port. Yeah, this thing has one HDMI port, one display port, and one headphone jack port, but unfortunately they didn't include any HDMI cable with this. And this is the driver CD and some other paperwork. So let's keep those things aside and get into the panel. guys, and this is the panel, and so it's very beautiful, and this thing has very minimal edges. I think you can see that. Very minimal bezels around it. As I said, it is G-Sync compatible. Wow, I'm very impressed with this. So, and then again it is wall mount compatible as well. So see guys, as you see, this is the display port and HDMI port, and also the headphone jack. So nice red ring is going as well. So all in all, it's very nice display. And that's all with the unboxing. If you guys found this video helpful, please put a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Ask me anything in the comment section. And I'm in middle of building a new budget gaming PC for myself, so I will upload more videos about the parts and full build guides in coming days. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for my future videos. Until then, take care, bye bye.